So I've already come to the party, so it's remaining for me to do. You see, this gum is its color. It was going to be simple. And I put this other one there and gum. Done. This is it. So you can choose to gum it anywhere you like. So I'm connecting the battery to this other wire that came good. So this is it. I'm going to off it and do the connection. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get every new video we shoot. This gummy. That is what. So I want to connect this to. I hope you know the usefulness of that my gun, so that the electric will not be able to touch. So you know you ta 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 when you on it. So this is it. So I've created a torchlight. Very good. On, light off, light on, light off, light on, light off. Then I'm going to use this so you want to know it inside. Off. Done. You see?